the only hypothesis tests for this are that, for instance, the null hypothesis is independent, so that way the alternative hypothesis can only be not independent, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep, correct.
Okay, and vice versa. All right, just making sure. All right. So let's see. I'm on question 3. Let's read. All right. I'm actually not as familiar on this, so you have to give me just a second. This on whether or not it's dependent or independent kind of stuff. I see the examples in the reading, but
All right. So I think
they should be independent, right?
gender and voting preferences are independent, and the alternative is that they're not independent.
Okay. Oh, I see. Do men's voting preferences differ significantly from women's voting preferences? All right.
So I think what is the equation for computing the degrees of freedom? It's just straight from the reading. It's the number of rows minus 1 times number of columns minus 1.
Yep.
What is the correct choice for the degrees of freedom in this problem?
Number of rows minus number of columns.
Yeah, so it's 2 times the number of columns minus 1. So it's 3 by 3, right?
I haven't looked. Is this where we're?
It's 3 by 2.
Oh yeah, minus the totals, right? You don't include the totals, so yeah, it's 3 by 2.
So you minus 1, so 2 by 1 is 2.
Okay.
I think.
Nice.
Are there requirements for conducting an X squared?
Let me just do it this way. Hold on. All right, sorry, I was doing this. Okay, so the p-value is 0.0003. That must be David. Yes, it is.
Yeah, sorry.
What's up?
Hey, dude.
I mean, it's 0.0003, so...
So it's 0. It's just 0.
Okay.
Hey, dude, we're on question 9 right now.
9? Oh, wait, shoot. What did I just put? Oh, shoot. Hold on. Yeah, we're question 9.
Hey, David, I'll run you through them real quick, okay?
Okay, 1 sec. Just pulling it up now, Darren.
Unbelievable. I'm just kidding.
Oh, man.
So you must use simple random sampling, and each expected count must be greater than or equal to 5. So obviously it's met. So hold on, the answer to question 6 is A, right? Yes, there are at least 5 expected counts in each cell.
Yeah.
Okay, Darren, I'm on 3.
Awesome.
All right, so true.
Mm-hmm.
C.
Mm-hmm.
C.
Mm-hmm.
Question 5 is 2. 6 is A.
Mm-hmm.
7 is 16.204. Question 8 is 0. And then I think question 10, or sorry, question 9 is A.
Okay. Great, guys.
Yeah, it's A. All right, so this is we're on to the chiropractor XLSX.
Yeah. Let's pull it up here.
I'm actually gonna just type it in real quick in my other spreadsheet, so give me just a second, and I'll be able to answer the questions in
Scott, what did you get on the design the study?
90.
Darren?
On design the study, I got 90.
You got something else?
No, I got 90.
Okay.
I wonder if
I
he.
haven't seen the feedback yet.
Yeah, I'm gonna look at the feedback.
Do that while I'm like inputting this stuff, and then we can talk about it, I guess.
I have to say, I'm not a huge fan of counting popcorn kernels. I wonder if you could weigh the unpopped kernels instead of counting them. Also,
Didn't we
you may
talk
find the
about that
size of
last
bags
time?
are different. Huh?
Didn't we talk about that last time? Doing it
Yeah,
that way?
but yeah, this is what he's just saying on our feedback. He said also you may find the size bags are different sizes, 2 ounces versus 2.75 ounces, etc. How will you handle that? Remember, your null hypothesis should have equals to. Project approved. You may start collecting data.
Well, I mean, it's easy to combat that. That's not really a problem.
Yeah, we're just weighing them out before.
Yeah, it's not a problem. What we can do is, if the bag of the store brand, because you have to base it off that kind of, the bag of the store brand is like 2.3 ounces, then just look for bags that are 2.3 ounces of any brand name, and we'll just go with that. So I'm glad at least he considered that simple random sample thing to work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so the conditions for is that a chi square or a chi square or chi square? Okay, chi square.
It's
Just
chi.
make sure. All right, so yes, it's true.
It's
Degrees
true.
of freedom are 8.
Yep. And then I got the X statistic is 7.436.
Yeah, 7. I got it like in the spreadsheet at 7.449.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's
I
probably
got
close. What did you say? 7 point what?
436.
Well, let me look at the equation real quick. I'm kind of curious.
And then the last one is, p-value is 0.49. And then following statements best describes that there's insufficient evidence to suggest the motivation of Cairo is not independent of the location.
You said 0.49 for 13, and then you said there's insufficient evidence?
Yeah, B. So I'm gonna just submit and see if it's right. If not, just put in your answer, Scott.
Well, they're probably close enough. Like that one time when we both submitted different answers and they took.
Yeah. So it worked. I got 100.
Okay. All right. I'm just curious for myself to try the 7.449 because that's what it says like in the Excel sheet. Did you actually do that by hand, or would you do to get the 7.436?
Yeah, I did it by hand. I did it like in Excel, but by hand in Excel using the formula.
Okay. I'm kind of curious. Where's the formula? Let's see.
I just Googled it again. I always use like that.
I thought it would have it in the reading, and I don't see it.
I always just like Google stuff and it works. I mean,
well,
these group quizzes are literally worth nothing.
I know. Well, okay, whatever. I'm just gonna submit it with the 7.449 just to see.
No, Scott. I'm just saying that to myself because I'm looking at my grades still at like 85.06, and it was like 85.04 before, and I was just like,
hey, the 7.449 was wrong. So it is 7.436, but did I enter the information wrong or something? Something wrong with this dang spreadsheet. What is the equation, Darren? Can you put the link in chat so I can at least bookmark it?
Yeah.
On whatever you got this for.
So do we have 4 exams in this class?
Yeah, 4 exams. We have 2 more. One's next week, and then our final.
Mm-hmm.
Oh shoot. Dude, I didn't do oh man, what the heck was I thinking? I put the degrees of freedom for the original data set.
Come on.
Question 7.
Rookie mistake.
Huh?
Rookie mistake.
I know it was. I'm looking at that right now. I don't know why I did that. All right, let's see.
Hey, so guys, I got a question on the design of the study.
Yeah.
So with this one, like, when is this? Like, what's the time frame for this? Like, when is it due?
I don't know.
I saw, like, I was looking ahead. Whatever. I'm just gonna leave the quiz the way it is. I don't really care. Anyway, so I was looking ahead though, like if you go to the contents to see when he's going to have us do all this stuff.
Yeah.
And so week 10 obviously is this week, and nothing is due this week for it. But week 11 is when we're actually going to collect the data. So next week. That's probably why it's a lighter week than normal. Week 12 is describe the data. Week 13 is make the inference and take action. And that's it. So
Cool.
So
that's interesting.
based on what we submitted, Scott,